we're swapping out a couple doors today. So we're going to pull these storm doors. There's one here, there's one on the other side of this room. We're going to take them out, we're going to put actual exterior doors in. So let's get after it. Now we see if these doors I got are going to fit. Get that cleaned up, get ready to make some cuts. Might have to get creative adjusting a header, but we'll see what we got up there. That's what I was hoping. Perfect. They brought it down an inch and a half, so I got full header up there, right where the height I need. Yes. Yeah, you win sometimes. Kind of fits. Still fighting me. Okay, you give me no choice. See what it looks like from the inside. Definitely nice and tight at the bottom. Outside showed it needed to go draw towards the hinge side, which reveal wise, yeah, it can give it a little going that way. You probably can't see, the light sucks in here. So we're gonna at least get this thing temporarily in, and then we'll probably hit this one, and then we'll do the handles and deadbolts. they don't build them like they used to, huh? Thank God. Where'd my screws go? Losing my mind. Gotta take that way. I love having to reassemble the doors when they get on site. Good grief. That is tight. Drive that over. Go disassemble the other one. Okay, I'm gonna pull this interior trim, get everything cleaned up. Then I will come back to you. Alright, it's time to dry fit this one, and you guys are inside, so let me know if it fits. This side is a little more forgiving, I think. Almost got too much room on this one. But we're going to make it work. Go see. It's pretty good. Gotta go touch this way. Gonna shim that over and hit out here. Too much room on this door. Oh, way more. I don't even think I can get this over far enough to make it plumb. We don't want plumb, we want functioning. Scratch that. If we can't get plumb, we want functioning. Let's see how goofy it is. Go goofy if you can't open it. Works really well. Functions way better than that other one. Alright. Let's get some shims in it. Throw some handles at this thing. I don't know if these quick sets are flippable on the key direction. Nope. That's my one beef with quick set. That one's working. Less than 10 minutes. Let's knock out this other side. Doors are working. You don't want to pull them too tight, then that little plunger goes in also, and then you can kind of pop the lock from the outside. Let me show you. This little part, that is meant to stay back when the door closes. If that comes out, then this is manipulative from the outside. If that stays in, it does not push in. That's how, like in the old movies, you know, you use a credit card and you open the door. That would be what they were doing. So, you don't want to slam them super duper tight. You want this where it needs to be, kind of perfectly. But we're just doing these doors right now for winter time coming up. And then this whole exterior may get redone. Sided, windows out. Yeah, it might be darn near completely rebuilt. So we're just getting these in, drying them in. We're just going to stick with the good old brick mold on there for now. And then address this maybe in the spring. I don't know, I'm just the guy with the hammer. I'll have to talk to the homeowner and see what they want to do.
So you made it to the end of the video. Or you skipped to the end of the video. Shame on you if that's what you did. Anyway, you probably clicked on some clickbait title I had about how much I made or how much I charged to replace 2 doors. Well, there was a little more scope to the work than just the doors. I did replace all along the bottom of that T111 with some treated 1x6, caulked everything in, sealed it up because they were dealing with a lot of rot. And then again, we are going to reevaluate this in spring and see if they want to redo everything, new windows and everything. So it's going to cost them a lot more for that than it did just to have the doors replaced. Now, I didn't show it all in the video, but all the doors were shimmed properly, screwed through the hinges, through the jamb, through the strike plate. I had to go and get new trim. I didn't figure for that originally, or else I would have had trim on site, but I had to run and pick up new trim. So the whole inside got trimmed, insulated. It was all done properly. I just didn't show all that because if you guys are here, you probably know how to put a door and a door handle on. So material, I had 4 12-foot 1x6 treated. Those all went on the bottom all the way around the T111. I had a 36 right-hand 9-light door and a 32 right-hand 9-light door. 2 deadbolts and handles, key to like, and I had like 4 tubes of caulk, nails, screws, all the incidentals are figured in there. I charged the customer $2,200 and they jumped at it. I gave them some cheaper options, which was to go with solid doors, which were significantly cheaper, or to go back with storm doors. They didn't want that. They wanted the 9-light exterior doors completely redone. I can't disagree, that's what I would have done also. So my total material came to just about $1,100, so I made about $1,100 in a day. That was 1 day's labor on the job. I had an evening of going to meet with the homeowner, discussing everything, getting measurements, getting material lists, going over everything and all the parameters that they wanted to discuss about the job. Then I had to come home, do all the figuring, get all the numbers, get back in contact with them. You know, the normal things, so that takes time. I did then acquire all of the material, all the doors and everything, and get it on site. So that was day 2 of traveling across town to get to the job. The third day, and I had figured possibly 2 days, was hoping for 1. I did get it done in 1 day, got the job done. So, charged $2,200, cleared about $1,100 in 1 day's worth of work. It was actually 3 separate days of traveling to the job. So that's not bad for where I'm at. Some places, some guys wouldn't even go out the door to take a job that pays that little. And some places, somebody's probably out there saying right now, man, you're ripping those people off. It all depends on where you are and the amount of work that there is and the amount of people that there are to do the work. So that's it. That was a quick cost breakdown on this thing. One question I have for all of you guys, do you know on a quick set door handle, is there a way to flip the key? Because if you have a left hand or a right hand, whichever way it works out, you know, your key is teeth down or your key is teeth up. Maybe it's my OCD. I like the keys to be teeth up all the time because that's how the deadbolt always is teeth up. But then sometimes the door handle is teeth down, sometimes it's teeth up. And I don't know that they're flippable like some handles are. I think Schlage probably does that, and actually some cheaper ones actually do that. So if you guys know how to do that with a quick set, let me know. Also, if you have not become a channel member yet, please go over and do that. That would really help out. I'm trying to get some money so I can get a new microphone for my voiceovers and whatnot. And for $2.99 a month, you get members only posts, you get the videos early, and I'm working on members only live streams. So if you guys would like to become a channel member, I would appreciate that. $2.99 a month. It's the Knucklehead Club because, you know, we're all knuckleheads around here. Bunch of DIYers and whatnot. So if not, hit like, hit subscribe. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.